how to create a seamless carousel post for Instagram in Photoshop. Let's get into it. Come up to File and choose New. Then within here, you need to configure this depending on how many images you need. So for example, one image would be simple at 1080 by 1080. 2 images, we're going to double this 1080 figure to create 2 160. For 3 images, we're going to triple the 1080 figure to get 3 240. And this is what I'm going to stick at for this demo. Keep the default 72 resolution and 8-bit project and choose Create. Next, drag the image into Photoshop that you want to use and size it to the project so it perfectly fits and click the tick. Next, come up to View, come down to Guides and then select New Guide Layout. Within this window, you need to put in the number of columns as per how many images you have. So if you have 5 images, for example, you do put 5. I've got 3, so it's going to be 3. If you're seeing double lines, it might be that your gutter has an amount in like so this will give us double lines. I'm just going to delete this so we have single lines. Then choose OK. Next, come over to the crop tool and click and hold and then select this slice tool. Select slices from guides. This is going to separate our image into 3 different images. Next, come up to File, choose Export, Save for Web. Within this window, click into the Slice tool again, and then come down to the zoom and make sure you can see all of your images. Hold Shift and then select all 3 images like so. Then come up to Settings and here you can choose between a JPEG or a PNG. Make the quality high quality, then come down to Save. And you may need to change the extension on your images. Sometimes Photoshop can be a bit strange, so I'm going to change this to JPEG. Format is images only, settings, default settings, and then slices, all slices. Find somewhere for it to live and then choose Save as JPEG. And now if we open this up in Finder and go through these images, we can see that it's saved 3 images as a JPEG. And when we bring these into Instagram and cycle through them, we can see that we have that seamless carousel effect that we wanted to make. And that's all there is to it.